What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find jobs and internships on Glassdoor. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Glassdoor or simply type in glassdoor.nl. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of Glassdoor. But if you are typing Glassdoor on Google, you will see the first official website of Glassdoor. Just simply click on that website. And if you are new to Glassdoor, simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account on Glassdoor, simply log in with your account. And after that, you will see on the top you can see the search bar when you will be welcome to the Glassdoor. This is the home page of Glassdoor. Now you will here see the search bar to find the job that you want and at what location do you want. Type in both the details and then it will show you the jobs. For example, I am typing content writer, and I am typing New York like this. And after that, as you can see, there are 64 vacancies for content writer in New York. And here are the jobs and internships. So for example, I want this one. I will click on this. If you want, you can save this alert for this job and this location. It will notify you daily if there are any updates on this job. So when I'll click here, as you can see, junior content writer, just click here, and after that you will be redirected to the employer's page and the website. Now after that, write your first name, your last name, your telephone number, and your place. And when you click on get on, you will be redirected to the resume upload option. And from there, just simply upload your resume and then you will be able to apply for the job on Glassdoor. So this is how you can apply for jobs and internships on Glassdoor. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you everyone for watching.